What's up guys? So if you ever come across an issue such as maybe you go on Chrome and you're trying to open a YouTube video on Chrome browser instead of going over to the YouTube app. For example, if I click on this video right here, it automatically leads me to the YouTube app. So if you don't want this, what you can simply do is just follow these few steps. Go back to your home screen and then you click on this YouTube app for long and you go over to app info. And then what you just need to do is to disable it from here. You can actually disable it from here, or just go over to settings and then you search for apps and notifications. And then you click on application settings. You search for YouTube. So when you click on YouTube, it's going to lead you to the same page. So now it's disabled. So what you just have to, you go back and then you click on your Chrome, click on the video you want to watch. So if you look very well, you'll be able to watch the video on the Chrome browser right now. So after doing this, you can now go back to the apps and notification settings and then you can click enable. So from here you can easily access your YouTube app as usual, while you also have your account right there on your Chrome browser. So to avoid such issues from recurring, if you want to watch any video on Chrome, you just have to click on this search here, and on the search bar here, just click on the search bar here and search for whichever video you want to search for. Thanks and have a nice day.